just really grateful to Saddleback Leather Company for giving me the chance to review their messenger backpack. All of my opinions are always 100% honest. So what I'm going to do here is go through the features of the backpack and go through what I fit in it, and then I'm going to do a comparison with all of my other Saddleback backpacks. P.S. These are not white stripes on my bag, it's just the light peeking in from the fence. So we'll compare to the Drawstring, thin front pocket, Love 41, which is a sister company, but really it's a spouse company of Saddleback Leather. This is run by Suzette Munson, who is Dave Munson, the owner of Saddleback's wife. And my rarely used, but still very well loved, large front pocket in the most velvety tobacco I think I've ever seen. If you're wondering why I'm not adding a city or a mini backpack, is because they already have a video of their own. So you can go ahead and check out our channel on YouTube and you'll be able to see a full comparison of these two. I asked our Herder Market Facebook group, what do you like to put in your backpacks? The answers led me to pull together this group of items: keys, wallet, electronics, books, pouches, a water bottle, and a jacket. Okay, here we go. I'm going to take these and I'm going to put it in to all of these. Before I put this big old jacket in there, I wanted to show you the major pros of the messenger as I'm filling it. You can see on the side my writer's pouch and my sunglasses are not stuck at the bottom of the bag. They have little slits on either side, and then there is a technology slip in here where I can put my iPad. Whereas the Drawstring, there are no side pockets on the outside, no side pockets on the inside. It does have the text slip there. Here's the messenger. It's all filled up. Definitely not as much space as the Drawstring because it has a couple extra inches in depth. But it does fit everything that this bag fit in here. This bag is definitely heavier than the Drawstring, probably because it has pockets on the outside. If you have any more to fit than what's in here, you could probably fit it in there, but it is going to be stuffed. So if you need a little more space and you don't really care about the inside pockets being non-existent and no outside pockets, and you just want something to be able to stick everything into from one place to another, this Drawstring is $399. So if you bought this and you really love the bag, but you just don't want to dig for your phone, let's take a look at what this looks like with the accessory on there. Alright, I just took everything from the bench and I put it into the Drawstring. Just give you an aerial view. Next is my thin front pocket backpack. I just wanted to show you a couple of the features. This does not have a key leash on it. It does have an adjustable pull here to be able to tighten it, kind of like the Drawstring. And then the other cool feature is it has the closed front pockets and side pockets. So it gives you a lot of space to put extras in there. I'm gonna put my sunglasses case in there, wallet's in there, and we'll go on the inside. Here's everything inside of it before I put the jacket in. So this thin front pocket backpack is completely filled. You might be able to put like a set of gloves or maybe a real thin cap up there. The front and side pockets here are still pretty much empty, so you have a lot of space, and you can also stick your hand in here. You can see here and here, gives you some extra space. So if you want to stick your passport, your phone, something where you don't want to have to open up those clasps, that's there for you. It's definitely their thinnest backpack and I believe it is one of their lightest backpacks. This is Love 41's Wanderer's backpack, and I just wanted you guys to take a peek inside before I put the big jacket in there. I just wanted to note a couple details that make this bag unique. There's a nice big pocket on the inside. There's also a slip pocket on the inside of the inside pocket. There's no key leash, but it does have very big pockets on the side. You can use the zipper or the strap and the nipple rivet to close it. Right now I have my sunglasses case in here. It is a little big, as you can see from the video, but I like to just close it like that, just flap it over and it's fine. This is a much softer leather, and therefore it's a lot floppier than the other backpacks. The shade of this leather is called Western Cedar. It's very light. Some may tell you that it is susceptible to water stains. I don't have any on mine. Take a look at the incredible character on this bag. I also wanted to note they have slip pockets there on the inside. Okay, so looking at the inside, I'm going to push this die down a little bit. Still a bit of space in there. Definitely way more space in the thin front pocket. Definitely much wider than the other bags that we have here. Okay, so last bag to compare is my large front pocket backpack. It is the regular size version of my thin front pocket backpack. This is by far the largest backpack that I have. So this side pocket alone was able to fit my writer's pouch, my sunglasses case, and my envelope wallet. On the inside, we had so few things left that this is basically empty. Note the side pockets here on the inside. If you want to keep something like a passport, it does have the tech sleeve. It does not have a key leash. It does fit my 18-ounce Yeti Rambler in the side pocket with a little room to spare. And look at this front pocket. It is absolutely huge. I can fit like my whole arm in there. Check this out, even with this big old jacket in there, you still have about 2/3 of the bag left. I would definitely recommend this bag if you happen to be a heavy packer or you just need to carry a lot that day. I bet I could use this for a 2 to 3 night trip as a piece of luggage. That would be a good video. I might end up doing that. Okay, so that was my review on the Messenger. Thank you again to Saddleback, not only for sending me this wonderful backpack to review, they also sent our group a front pocket leather ID wallet for me to give away. And one of our fabulous, wonderful, longtime group members, Heather, sent me 2 brand new Saddleback wallets to include in this giveaway. Now guys, the reason why I'm able to afford to ship giveaways out on a regular basis is because of our group called Herder Lodge. Herder Lodge is a club for leather goods enthusiasts, and we currently have about 35 members who pay monthly dues. With these funds, I'm able to perform product and gift card giveaways monthly for Lodge members only. Dues allow me the time to develop partnerships with some of our favorite companies like Saddleback Leather, as well as grow Herder Market's charity drive for Africa New Life Ministries, where we just started sponsoring our second child in Rwanda this month. You don't have to be a member of the Lodge to win this giveaway. I'm going to put some details up in the group this week on how you can enter. But if you enjoy the content, the reviews, the photos that I do, please consider joining the Lodge. Thank you again to Saddleback for supporting us. And thank you to all of our wonderful members. I can't wait to give away these wallets.